Billy? Billy? I brought your little friends for a visit.
Billy? Billy, we're not gonna hassle you or anything.
Yeah, no cops, no parents, no anybody, just us. How do we even know he's here?
Come out, wherever you are.
So what are you supposed to be, huh? Good question. What am I supposed to be? Star of the swim team, that's good. President of the class, that's okay too. But gay? Definitely not gay. At least if you ask my parents.
Oh, wait. What's that I hear? Has a familiar ring to it. Something like Yes, self-pity, that's it. My cue to beat it.
Marty. Thanks for bringing them here.
No problem.
What about
What? What about what?
the other thing?
What
we
other
talked
thing?
About you killing the rumor about Reverend Carpenter.
Yeah, right, we did talk about that, didn't we?
Marty, all you have to...
Sorry. One good deed a day is my limit. Anything else and I might have a seizure or something.
Marty,
Hey, sorry,
don't
we
have-
can't all be saints like you.
But all you have to do is just...
have a cozy little picnic.
Well, she did bring us here. And maybe she'll even come clean about the Reverend. Meanwhile...
It's good to see you. Come here.
Good to see you, too. Yeah, we were really worried about you. Yeah. Is that a Joey special, or am I dreaming, man? Oh, Joe, you got one weird fixation with food, dude, but I'm grateful. Thank you. Yeah. So, was it really that bad, telling your folks? How bad would you guess? Bad? It was bad. It was worse than that, actually. It was even worse than I ever thought it could be.
Okay, let's take an oath.
An oath? Like with pricking our fingers and stuff? Because I'm not into the pain and blood
No, just a simple vow that we will never, ever be like our parents.
I can commit to that. It's cool with me.
Okay.
I'm game.
We swear, 2 fingers,
Swear.
that we will never be like our parents.
Yeah! I gotta finish this one. This is awesome. Pig. Oh, keep it all to yourself, huh? Now, come on, Joe. You can't tell me your dad didn't throw a fit about you being friends with me.
He just said that I should stay out of other people's problems.
Oh, so what was it? A strong recommendation or a complete ban?
On what?
On me. On having a homo for a friend.
Would you stop using words like that?
Why, Lana? I get used to him. I'm having to. All right. Joe, we all know that basically your dad's a good guy, right? But even he'd have a problem if he found out you were gay, right? Right?
I guess.
Well, you just keep those Joey specials coming, man, because I'm going to be the Phantom of the Rialto from now.
You are not staying here.
How can I go back, Alana? Have you talked to my parents? Have you looked at their faces?
They'll get used to it.
It's not something you get used to. You know, all my life they've been telling me what they had planned for me, what their dreams were. They'd list them off one by one, you know. And not once did they ever say, "Don't let us down, Bill. We're planning on you growing up and being a queer." Not once.
Billy, you can't stay here forever.
I can stay here for now.
Well, sooner or later, you're gonna have to let your folks know where you are.
Look, Joe, if they're so disappointed in who their son turned out to be, then maybe they should get a taste of what it's like to have no son at all.
What if Joey and I go with you?
And what?
And face your folks.
You know we'll stick by you, Billy.
Yeah, but will my parents?
They might.
You're right.
They might. How are you gonna know if you don't give them a chance? They've had a lot of time to think. They're probably worried sick about you by now.
And I'm sure they figured out that you're the same son they've loved for 17 years.
Come on. Well, let us take you home.
Look, you don't know them, all right? Guys, They don't even believe me. My dad thinks it's something that's just in my head, you know, that somebody put it there. My mom, she thinks it's something I'm gonna get over, like chicken pox, you know?
Billy.
Look, guys, if I thought there was any way I could, I'd go back home in a heartbeat. If I thought they'd look me in the eye and see me for who I am, and love me anyway. But that's not how it's gonna be with them.